Happy Sunday! I love Sundays. I'm driving.
For once.
And there's a bird. It just flew out in the middle of the road. That was crazy.
There are birds outside. This is a normal thing.
No way.
Yeah, I promise.
I just got done taking pictures of my friend Matthew Paul. Woo! He's gonna go to Haiti because he's amazing.
2 years!
And that's his passion, and that's where his heart is, and so that's where he's gonna go. And he wanted some photos to just promote what he's doing, and he's also doing a benefit dinner, which is gonna be so cool, and he'll have the photos there, and he wanted me to take them because he's really nice. And they're cool, and so we're about to go look at these, and I'm excited. My husband has been taken over by the homework monster.
Yeah, the homework monster got me.
He's a grumpy gills because of the homework monster. Quick, what are we gonna do? We need to save him. I think we need to go to church. Let's go.
Okay, I need my
Get your guitar. It's right there.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes. What are you texting Shay? I know that's not what I told you to say. What are you texting her right now?
I'm not texting.
That is so long. That is way longer than, are you at Granny's house?
Yeah, no, it's fine.
What does it say?
It says, are you at Granny's house? That's all it says.
I do not believe that one bit. That's not even true. Oh my goodness.
You should believe it.
This guy, what is he doing? What is he doing? He's putting words in my mouth. Those are not true, Shay. Whatever he says, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. This is a really nice sunset. I'm enjoying this. It's a beautiful day. I don't think you guys have seen June's tricks, so I wanted to show you them. Sit. Good girl. Lay down. Good girl. Up. Good girl, June. Up. Mommy, the food's right there. I know the food's right there, June.